I've got a 2010 Dodge Caravan, needs this taillight done. It's just a bulb that's burned out, we hope, although it could be something else. Should be just the taillight, the bulb. It's not hard, let's change it ourselves. Any good, garage or sublight, or even, good husband like me would check to see customer complaint. Well, actually, she didn't complain about it, I was driving it. But let's take a look. We see the light's not working. I'll show you how I figured that out. It's one of two things. It's either the bulb, which I'm sure hoping it is because I've got them, just picked them up, or it's some communication problem with the CAN bus, and we don't want that. Try the bulb first, it's a cheap way. Oh, now it works. This was the problem here. And this one doesn't want to work. We've got the four-ways off. And the two up front. So first thing you want to do is just open your hatch. And we'll have access to some screws in here. Take a closer look. Now they're Torx bits. Look like that. Well, here we'll show you the big ones. They, not Allen keys, they're Torx, and I think this is a T30. It's pretty simple. Put them in there, cranker. You can get these like in sets. I'll show you a little, it's like an Allen key set I have. Although these are nice too, because you might need, if you buy the set, maybe you'll need to do something bigger with it. Oh, it's a little tight. At least it won't fall out. Anyway, it's just like a bolt, but it's got that kind of an end on it. Now that you've got this one out and that one out, it should just pull straight back. At least we hope so. It'll be stuck in here too, so don't pry it that way, but call me a liar. Won't be the first time. So try not to, if you go too far this way, you're gonna break it in here. There we go. Show you what it looks like. So it's better if you understand how this, it's just got these little fingers and they go into these holes. I guess you could try and pry something gently in there as long as you don't break this, but if you try and give it a good tug, that should work. Now, backup, this one's the backup light. The bottom one is your brake and signal twisted counterclockwise. Like that, it'll come out. You can see the shape of this hole in here. And this should just wiggle straight out. Doesn't look burnt. Let's throw a new one in and find out. Now these vans, they take the 1157. I got the long life ones because I thought, well, it's a different filament in it. And they should last a little longer. We've had this van 5 or 6 or years, something like that. Maybe a little longer. And these are original, as far as I know. These don't get super hot, but it's nice if you can try, of course, try not to touch the bulb if possible. Yeah, how are you going to do that? They go either way. It's a universal, it's hard to explain how this works, but you can plug it in, as long as it plugs in. Let's turn it on and see if it works. So we've got spark light, signal light. We have a signal light. You can see it from here. Sounds good. Looks like it was just a bulb. Simple enough. So you just reverse the process. Turn it as far as you can this way, I guess. Try and stick it in there. You might have to fiddle around with it to see how far it needs to go. And just turn it right until it stops. And remember these tangs here? They go in the holes. So just line them up there first. If you're trying to line those up, you're going to see you're going to have to also line this up with this piece right here. So line that so it goes around there. Line these guys up so that, line these up so these go in the holes. Hard to do when you're trying to do it with a camera. And then just give her a little push. And it should click, hopefully. Anyway, as long as that lines up, you can see it's already in there. Now let's just put these screws back in, huh? That's hard to do. Think you can do that yourself? I think you can. You can get screwdrivers that fit these things too. Like I say, I think it's a T30. I'll show you something else we can use. You can get little kits like this. It's like an Allen key set or whatever, but again, they're Torx. And got those right sizes. I believe it's this one. And you can turn them this way. If you need a little extra reef, you can bend it down like and then crank it like that. They work pretty good. Then this way you've got a whole set, and you can't really lose them unless you lose the whole thing. But for speed, we're going to try and just do it this way. I'm just going to tighten that one up. Then we go to the lower one right there. Try and tighten that one up too. I could spin it around the way I spun the other one around, but just for your viewing pleasure. Easier for me to spin it the way I spun the other one. Don't have to be super tight, just a long thread. Just snug them up. They're not going to fall out. Do the same with the top one. Just snug it up. And there you have it. Easy enough. Grab your tools and lock her up. While it's doing that, we'll just double check to make sure. Wow, that sounds good. I guess, you know, if you have a light hanging, do something with that too. Anyway, it still works. Yowzers. Spark light and signal light. All okay? Yeah, there. How much did we save there? Probably saved yourselves, I don't know. How much do you think you saved? It didn't take us very long, but are they going to charge you to drive it in, drive it out? You're going to have to sit around for half an hour or a couple hours? I think you can do that. You can get those bulbs just about anywhere. It was a $31.57, I believe was the number. Yes, it was. It comes in a 2-pack. That way, when you save the other one for the other side, when that goes, might as well just wait till it goes, and it looks like, hard for me to see, but it was the bulb. Thank goodness. Comments, criticisms, whatever you want to put, you can do it down in the description. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe. It goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. Be careful. Do whatever you can to protect yourself. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're a new subscriber, you have to ring the bell too. It's a little bell there so that you don't miss any of the latest episodes. It's easy to do. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.